Hello friends, welcome to you all here in this current affairs session. Here we will discuss some 8 to 10 questions and along with some questions we will discuss some extra fact based on the correct option in each of these individual questions. These are the questions are very important for your upcoming examinations. So please watch the session carefully and try to remember maximum inputs are being discussed here. So moving to the question number 1 here. US economy grew by what percent in 2021 in rebound from 2020 recession? And that is option A, 5.7%. The US economy grew last year at the fastest pace since Ronald Reagan's presidency, bouncing back with resilience from 2020's brief but devastating coronavirus recession. So this is 5.7%. This is a term of recession bouncing back situation from 2020's brief and devastating coronavirus recession. The nation's gross domestic product, its total output of goods and services, expanded 5.7% in 2021. It was stronger calendar year growth, that is 7.2%, surged in 1984 after previous recession. So this is some of the extra fact, but yes, during this coronavirus recession, 5.7% growth can be seen in 2021. RBL Bank third quarter net up 6% to what amount on lower provisions? And here is the answer, 156 crore rupees. Private lender RBL Ratnakar Bank Limited net profit jumped 6% to 156 crore rupees, 0.10 crore rupees, that is in October-December quarter, aided by lower provisions, healthy growth and net interest income. Net profit in the reporting quarter beat street estimates that as analysts at Bloomberg had estimated a net profit of 75.7 crore rupees. Sequentially, net profit jumped 5 times as the bank had reported 30 crore rupees as the net profit in the second quarter of financial year 2022 due to higher provisions. So here is the answer, that is 156 crore rupees amount on lower provision RBL Bank's third quarter, which is net up to 6% profit, right? Pakistan foreign loans soared to what amount in July to December 2021? And that is $10.4 billion. Pakistan has borrowed $10.4 billion in the past 6 months, which was higher by 78% over the same period of last year, as it struggled to address the growing current account imbalance and keep the debt finance foreign exchange reserves at current levels, local media reported this. Gross foreign loan disbursement during the July-December of current fiscal year remained at $9.3 billion. In addition to this, Pakistan received $1.1 billion in foreign loans from the overseas Pakistan through the Naya Pakistan certificates, according to the central bank data. So $10.4 billion is the foreign loans soaring up to this amount, and that is in July to December quarter, that is 2021. Who has been appointed as the India's next High Commissioner to Nigeria? And that is G. Balasubramaniam. G. Balasubramaniam has been appointed as the India's next High Commissioner to Nigeria, an IFS officer of 1998 batch. Balasubramaniam is the present Joint Secretary in the Ministry of External Affairs. Reliance to raise what amount for media JV as Viacom seeks lower stake? And that is $1.6 billion. India's Reliance Industry is in talks with the investors to raise up to $1.6 billion for its broadcasting business as its partner Viacom CBS looks to pair its interest in the joint venture, two sources Reuters on Thursday said this, mentioned. So the currently Reliance holds 51% stakes in Viacom, and apart from this, rest of are acquired by Viacom CBS holding the rest. Right. Moving to question number 6 here. ArcelorMital Nippon Steel India to invest what amount in Gujarat? And that is option A, 1,66,000 crore. The Gujarat government today said that ArcelorMital Nippon Steel India, which owns a steel mill at Hazira in Surat, will invest 1,66,000 crore in the 6 different projects in the state. The firm will be investing 30,000 crore to expand their facility at Suveli in Surat and 30,000 crore to develop the Surat Steel City Industrial Cluster and Kiliabet in Surat. So 1,66,000 crore would be invested by ArcelorMital Nippon Steel India in Gujarat, right, to improvement in some different projects here in the state, right. Which subsidiary of Bharti Airtel to be added to FTSE 100 index? And that is Airtel Africa. All the options are given here are from the subsidiaries of Bharti Airtel, but the answer here is Airtel Africa, which is added to FTSE 100 index. Bharti Airtel subsidiary of Airtel Africa has been made a part of the FTSE 100 index effectively from January 31st. Airtel Africa listed on the London Stock Exchange in June 2019 and a milestone underscores the growing investors' confidence in the business. The company had market a capitalization of over $7.5 billion as per this is on 26th of January this year, and with the enterprise value that is $10.7 billion as it is mentioned by the company. Blackstone sets up what amount in India logistic platform Horizon Industrial Park? This is logistic Horizon Industrial Park, and that is $900 million. Blackstone sets up $900 million in the India logistic platform that is Horizon Industrial Parks, which would be the third asset specification platform for Blackstone in the country, after the nucleus office parks for commercial office assets and Nexus malls for the shopping malls. Global asset manager Blackstone Group LP has set up a logistic vertical Horizon Industrial Parks in India that will house its existing assets, which will be scaled up through acquisitions and greenfield developments. So remember this one, that is $900 million that is to be set up to India logistic platform Horizon Industrial Parks by Blackstone, right? That's it. Data Privacy Day is observed on, this is 28th of January. Data Privacy Day is celebrated on 28th of January, reminds every one of us to review how our data is used. It's an excellent opportunity to take stocks and evaluate our personal cyber security. And these are the some of the precautionary measures one should take. That is, take steps to secure your digital devices, commit to learning how to protect yourself, maintain tech-savvy practices that will protect you, share your tips, tricks, experiences with others, attend an informational seminar to learn more about protecting yourself, right? So Data Privacy Day is observed on 28th of January. JB Chemicals to buy brands from Sanzyme for what amount? And that is option C, rupees 628 crore. JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited said it will acquire brands for the Indian market from Sanzyme Private Limited, a player in the probiotic and reproductive health segment, for rupees 628 crore rupees. And the brands to be acquired include those in the probiotics portfolio and reproductive health segment of Sanzyme, the company said in a statement. The probiotic portfolio includes Sporlac, which is the third largest probiotic brand in India, and specialized products like Loban used for delaying progressions of chronic kidney disease, and Oxalo, an alternate risk-free therapy to decalcify kidney stones, right? These are the some inputs here, and here is the answer, that is JB Chemicals to buy brands from Sanzyme at rupees 628 crore. That is it. So I hope you understood all the news bullets I have discussed here, and please rewatch it for your betterment, for the thing you can remember all those news here for longer period of time. And that is all for now. I hope you understood all the things here, and good time.